grade virtual open house. Don't forget, our connection is strong. Introducing the 5th grade crew. This year we have
Mrs. Odie,
Mrs. Robertson, who will also be having Mrs. Marler, a student teacher, joining us for most of the year,
and Mrs. Zanway.
The district has outlined the priority standards and units for the year, and you can see those listed here on the screen. They've broken units down by days to keep everyone across the district in sync, which will allow for a smooth transition from virtual to in-person teaching. We also know that we have to go at a slower pace teaching virtually. This week was all about building strong classroom communities and putting in routines and procedures while getting to know the digital platforms we'll be using throughout our virtual learning. We loved getting to know your students and are excited for what the year has in store. Starting this week, you will see more content being taught and delivered, and students will not be online together for as long as a period of time and having more time to work on and complete their work. Here's a snapshot of the 5th grade schedule. Please make sure that your child arrives on time and ready to learn. As you can see, we have a shorter day and we want to take full advantage of every moment we get to spend with your kid each day. Each subject will include a mini lesson and time for your child to work on his or own to practice and apply the skills we are learning. During that independent work time, they'll be finishing any work or assignments. It is also extremely important that your child reads at least 20 minutes every day outside of our designated reading time. It's also important they practice their math facts in order to feel more confident in math and to ensure accuracy and speed. These math facts include multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Reading and practicing fact fluency can be completed during the hour of independent work time at the end of the day. After our mini lessons in each subject area, students will be given work to complete while we meet with small groups or one-on-one to better meet student needs. During this time, we will be assessing formally and informally to determine what each child needs, and we'll use this work time to do strategy groups and provide extra time and practice to apply all of the skills we have been working on. Do not hesitate to contact your child's teacher if you have any questions or concerns. We are working as a team with you, the parents, to help your child have an amazing 5th grade year full of growth and success.
there are some virtual learning rules and tips for distance learning that we have gone over with your children, but we would like for you to be aware of as well. So a few things. Not only would we like your child to be on time in the morning, we start right at 8:30, but we have a few breaks during the day that it is imperative that your child is back on the Zoom call in time. A few other reminders: we want your child to be appropriately dressed, like they would be dressed if they were in the school building. We suggest that your child has a great workspace that limits their distractions and helps them to stay in one place facing the camera. We also appreciate if your child does not lay down and instead is sitting when watching the Chromebook. Also, we want to be able to see your child, so their camera needs to be on as much as possible, and we want them to hear what we are saying, so their sound should be on, although they should be muted unless they have been called on to speak. It's also important that their Chromebooks should be charged every night so that there's not a risk of them dying during the day. We also want them to be prepared for their learning and to have their materials with them in their learning space. Your child will need to go to their classroom Schoology page for all resources for their class. On that Schoology page, you will find class information that they will need to have, and also classwork organized by subject for them. They will find all work for each subject in those folders. Then there are some student websites for them at the bottom that they will access regularly. Also on the Schoology is a checklist of things for them to complete. They can find that at Plans for the Week. Another thing that you will begin receiving at the end of each week, beginning this Friday, is a weekly report reporting on how much work your child has completed both in class, during the synchronous and asynchronous learning, and during their independent work time. It will look somewhat like this, with details for your individual child on their progress and their work. Again, look for this to be sent every Friday.
So what will our virtual learning look like? We will have live synchronous learning, which includes a mini lesson where the teacher will teach and model a concept. During that time, students are watching and participating. Then they will follow that mini lesson with independent work. Students will work independently and the teacher will meet with students individually and/or in small groups. Asynchronous learning is when the students will work on assignments posted on Schoology and the students can finish any unfinished work. Your kids should be working on lessons during their asynchronous time unless it is a scheduled break. From 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. each day will be used to catch up on work from the day and work on assignments from specialists. Every day your child should be reading at least 20 extra minutes and practicing their math facts. We know that the help desk has been flooded, but please reach out to them with technical issues about your child's Chromebook, their password, or any other concerns. You may want to email them instead of call. We are going to be offering both Bellerive gear and Bellerive leadership t-shirts. All grade levels are going to have the same shirt this year and will need to be purchased on Infinite Campus by September 11th. Every Friday will be a Spirit Day. We want to remind you that we will be available on Wednesday evening from 6:30 to 7 and 7:15 to 7:45 to answer questions. We appreciate your partnership and are excited to work with you and your child this year.
This year will certainly be memorable. It has challenged us in a variety of ways, and our lives have changed, and the way that we do things looks different. However, we are all in this together, and together as a team, we'll work together to ensure your child is supported, cared for, and continues to learn and grow. We promise to support your child and your family throughout this new schooling journey, and we look forward to working together as a team to help your child. Thank you so much for all of your support, and together we're going to help build a better tomorrow.
Thank you for your time watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at our Q&A.
Thank you.